welcome back to the vlog. I'm Sean, this is Dreamcars Daily, and today I'm headed to go work on a McLaren. We're still in quarantine, still not supposed to be out and about, but I am allowed to work. I'm considered essential, and as you can see, I'm in my work van with tools and glass and whatnot. I've never worked on a McLaren before, so it's new to me today, and these are not the kind of videos I normally make, but to me, it's going to be interesting, so hopefully it's interesting to you as well. Well, here she is. We got 3 broken windows on the McLaren 650S. We need a door glass, a windshield, and a back glass. I think this is going to be interesting. So far, a windshield looks like it's going to be pretty easy. We got a couple pillar moldings that need to come off. Going to pull the interior panel there and get the rain sensor off, pull the wiper, and the remainder of it looks like a really easy cutout, so fingers crossed. Took me a little while, but I got everything torn down. We got the moldings off, mirror, rain sensor off, wipers off. The mirror was a nightmare. That did not want to come off of there. And now it's time for cutout. Kind of bounce around a little bit. I'm going to get the old glue for the windshield, the urethane, trimmed off of there, and then I'm actually going to go put the door glass in because the owner is going to come back and help me set the windshield in about an hour. I'm going to tell you guys flat out, this is one of the worst door pads I have ever taken off. They had so many hidden fasteners on this thing. Just crazy. But it's part. So I know you should be able to just grab the suction cup. That. Up a little higher, and good. Yay, it fits.
It's right there, I think.
Yep, perfect.
I don't really get the used one, but...
No, this was brand new.
Oh, that was just sitting in somebody's...
It was brand new, but it's an aftermarket. This is not original equipment. This is actually a Chinese window.
Really? I didn't know you could get one aftermarket. It was out in California.
I wouldn't have guessed you could, but Fuyao?
So then, huh.
It's Chinese glass.
See, I just saw it on the eBay for some place out in California. It was like $1,500 versus $42. Sure.
Right. And I do want you to know, when you set it down on the floor, you can see it a little bit right here, but on the inside, oh yeah, if you look real close, you can kind of see you chipped it a little bit on the floor.
Gotcha.
Where is it? You see it more. It's actually right here on the underside, and that's a weak spot. So there is somewhat of a chance that it could go from there again. I have a feeling there's supposed to be a molding or something here, but there was nothing there. I'm trying not to. I don't want to. Normally I would try and press this out and make sure the glue seals really well, but I don't want to press where it's chipped.
They wouldn't have a piece you would think Which I didn't notice any wind coming in. But
No, you're not going to get any wind in because the glue sits up here. There's no air going to come in. No air, no water. Nothing's coming in on you. It's just a interesting design. So a little bit of cleanup left to do, but for the most part, that's it. Got 2 windows done. The back glass, I think, might be a bit beyond me. It's one of the ones that goes up and down, and I'm not exactly sure how it comes apart. I messed with it a little bit. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't want to have to tear apart the whole top just to get to it, so we're going to skip that one for today. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I know it was a short video, and I know I didn't give you a lot of the ins and outs. That was actually a really stressful car to work on. I've worked on a lot of cars and done a lot of different stuff, but man, hidden fasteners everywhere. Just some of the stuff, the way it was built, just made no sense to me whatsoever. But it's done. I got 2 of the 3 windows done. Put a door glass in it, put a windshield in it, and did not put the back glass in. It, to me, kind of appeared you might actually have to remove the whole convertible top. I don't know. It's not like I can just go into my computer system and get information. How do you replace a McLaren back window? That information's not there. So he may end up bringing it to the dealer on that one, but I was definitely able to get him taken care of on the other 2. Anyway, again, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, throw me a like. I'll see you next video. Bye.